Hello students, namaste and welcome. Good evening to all of you. I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. So today we are going to discuss some important questions belong to tier 2 exam, right? Tier 1 exam is all complete. Answer key is already displayed, right? So you all set to prepare for the tier 2 exam. So here we go. First question is sorry. First question is on your screen. Yes. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. See, the question is saying the slant height of a cone is 20 centimeter if area of its base is 616 centimeter square. It's centimeter square. Then what is the curved surface area of the cone? We know that this is the figure of cone, like birthday cap, or we can say ice cream cone, right? So this is the slant height which is represented by L, and this is equal to 20, right? And radius is, we can say, R. So the base is, its base area is 216. So the base of cone is circle, so we can say that the base area is pi r square, right? Pi r square is equal to 616. So we can say that 22 divided by 7 into r square is equal to 616, right? So we can cancel out by 11. This would be cancelled 2 times, and this would be 11 5s are 55 and 11 6s are 66, and by 2 this can be cancelled out 28, right? So r square would be equal to 28 into 7. So we can say that r is equal to square root of 28 into 7, right? So we can split it 7 into 4, right? So this will equal to 7 will come out and 2 will come out. So this will become 14, right? So the radius is 14. We have to calculate the curved surface area, and we know that the curved surface area of the cone is pi r l, right? It is pi r l. It means 22 by 7 into r is, what is r? R is 14, and l, what is l? L is 20, right? So we can say that this will cut 2 times. So the answer is 880, right? 880 centimeter square is the right answer. 880 centimeter square is the right answer. Got it? So we can see that fourth part is the right answer. Moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please, everyone, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, very good, very good. What is the answer of this question? The height of a cylinder is 6 centimeter more than the radius of its base. If the radius is 14 centimeter, then what is the volume of the cylinder? We know that the cylinder is like this, right? So this is the figure of cylinder. Here this is the radius, and r is equal to 14, right? And its height is 6 more than its radius. It means 14 plus 6, so this will become 20 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the volume of the cylinder. We know that the volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. We have just to put the value in the formula, right? So r here is 14, 14 into 14, and the h is 20, right? So we can say that after solving this we will get 44 into 14 into 20, right? So after solving this we will get, tell me how much? 20, right? So we will get 0. 2 carry is 1, 3. So we can say that 12320 is the right answer. So 12320 centimeter cube is the right answer. Yes. Okay. Yes, you are right. Very good. Moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. So this question belong to DI part. You know, 1 or 2 question, or we can say 3 to 4 question you get from DI section only, right? And the question which belong to DI section are very easy, especially in SSC exam, right? But the student who are afraid of just reading the DI, reading the data, and they leave that portion or they left that portion, right? But in exam they feel regret because the question is very easy, right? So you are not supposed to skip this part. So you have to focus on this part because question from DI which are being asked in your exam are very easy, right? So the question saying that the pie chart given below shows the number of tires of 6 companies, right? Number of tires of a particular company are shown as a percentage of the total number of types of these 6 companies, right? Now the question is, what is the sum of central angle formed by the sectors representing tires of company F and A, right? F and A. So here this is total, means if we focus on the pie chart, so we can say that F and A together contribute 40%. Now we have to convert 40% into degree, right? So what we have to do? We have to first convert the percentage into fraction. So it will be 40 by 100, and to convert it into degree we have to multiply it by just 360 degree, right? So 0 get cancelled by 0. The answer would be 144 degree, right? 36 for the 144. So third part is the right answer. Yes, third part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. The bar chart given below shows the number of boys and girls in 5 schools. If number of boys in school S6 are 30% more than the number of girls in school S1. See, in S1 the girls are represented by the shaded portion and the number of boys are represented by the white column, right? So here the number of girls in S1 is 500. So we can say that girls in S6, right? Girls in S6. Girls in S6. So it is 30% more than S1. So we can say that 30% more than, it means it will become 130%, right? So it will become 650, right? After solving this we will get 650. So number of girls are 650. Now the question is saying, then the number of girls in school S3 and S4 are what percent of the number of boys in S6 and S1, right? So we can say that the number of girls in S1, question is asking girls in S3 plus S4 together is what percent of the boys in S6 plus S1 together into 100. So this is the formation, right? So just seeing the data, we can say that in S3 the number of girls are 1800 and in S4 the number of girls are 400. So we can say that 1800 plus 400 divided by number of boys in S6 is 650 and in S1 it is 1200 and multiplied by 100. After solving this we will get 2200 divided by 1850 into 100. So after solving this we will get 118.92, right? So 118.92% is the right answer. Fourth part is the right answer. Yes, fourth part is the right answer. Fourth part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. What is the answer for this question? Volume of a cuboid is 4800 centimeter square. if the height of this cuboid is 20 centimeter, then what will be the area of the base of the cuboid? See, we know that what is the cuboid? Cuboid is the figure like this, right? And the volume of the cuboid is L into B into H, right? LBH. Yes or no? If we talk about the base area, so the base area is equal to L into B. So we can say that volume of a cuboid is always equal to height into base area. Got it? So we can say that height is equal to, or we can say base area is equal to volume divided by height. So this is the formula. If we understand this, so we can directly, we are not going to write all these things, right? So here we can directly calculate the area of base would be equal to volume divided by height. Height is 20, right? 0 get cancelled 0. So it would be equal 240 centimeter square. 240 centimeter square. So second part is the right answer. 240 centimeter square is the right answer. 240 centimeter square is the right answer. Yes. Okay, moving to next question. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? Yes, guys. Yes, please tell me what will be the answer for this question. See, the question is saying radius of a large solid sphere is 14 centimeter if it is melted and form equal small cubes. One thing we have to remember when we have to create small figures out of the big figure after melting, right? So one thing is understood to all of you that the volume of big figure will be equal to volume of a small figure into total number of small figure, right? So here we can say that if the sphere, what is the volume of a sphere? This is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So this is the volume of a sphere. So we can say that 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 8 into, right? So here we are going to take capital R for the big figure, right? So we can say that 4 upon 3 pi small radius for small figure into 8. Or we know that the radius of the big sphere is 14. Pi get cancelled by pi, 4 by 3 get cancelled by 4 by 3. So we can say that 14 into 14 into 14 would be equal to r cube into 8. By 2 it would be cancelled by 7, 7 and 7, right? So here we will get r is equal to 7, right? R is equal to 7. Now we have to calculate the total sum of the all surface area of the all 8 solid figures, right? So the total surface area would be equal to 8 into, right? 8 into, what is the surface area? 4 pi r square. So this is equal to 8 into 4 into 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7, right? So after multiplying this, now tell me what will be the answer. Solve it. 8 into 4 into 22 into 7. Yes, please tell me. Tell me. Second part. Yes. Yes. So we can say that second part is the right answer. Yes. 4 4928 is the right answer. 4928 is the right answer, right? Or we can also check whether it is a multiple of 7 and 11, right? If we check the multiple of 7 and 11, you will say that only second option, which is multiple of 11 and 7 both, right? So we can directly go by the option. Okay, so we can directly calculate it like this. Okay, so moving to next question. Next question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, which of the following is equal to sec A minus cos A? This is very simple question. We know that sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A minus cos A. So we can write it 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A, right? We know that the identity 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A divided by cos A. So we can write it sin A into sin A divided by cos A. So this would become 10. So this would become 10A into sin A, right? So 10A into sin A is the right answer. 10A into sin A is the right answer. Third part is the right answer. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. In triangle ABC and PQR are two triangles. Okay. These are the two triangles. AB is equal to PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. BC is equal to QR is equal to 10 centimeter. AC is equal to PR is equal to 8 centimeter. If angle ABC is equal to X degree, right? See, so we are given the sides, right? So just having a look on the information of the side, we can say that these sides represent a right angle triangle, right? These sides represent a right angle triangle because the sides are, 6, 10 and 8. So these are forming triplets, right? So this is the triplet. So we can say that ABC, see, BC is equal to 10. So BC is the hypotenuse. So we can say that BC is the hypotenuse. So ABC and QR is hypotenuse. So PQR, right? Got it? So QR is 10. AC is equal to 8. Okay. And PR is equal to 8, right? And AB is equal to 6. And PQ is equal to 6. Got it? So this is the triplet. So we can say that this is 90 degree, right? Yes or no? So if ABC is equal to angle ABC, this is X. If this angle is X, then what is the value of PRQ? So PRQ, we have to calculate this value. See, all three sides are equal to the other triangle. It means we can say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, right? So we can say that angle B would also be equal to angle Q, that is X degree, right? X degree. So we can say that the angle R would be equal 90 minus X degree, right? So the 90 minus X degree, third part is the right answer. Yes. Third part is the right answer. Okay. Moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this. ABCD is a quadrilateral. The length of diagonal AC is 24 centimeter, right? AC is 24 centimeter. The sum of perpendicular drawn from vertex B and D on the diagonal AC is 10 centimeter, right? So whenever we are given a quadrilateral, so we can draw a quadrilateral like this. So this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. If we are given a diagonal, so diagonal AC length is 24 4, and we are also given the perpendicular drawn on this diagonal. So in that case we can say the area of quadrilateral would be equal to 1 upon 2 into diagonal, D for diagonal, into sum of height, right? Sum of perpendicular or height, we can say sum of height, right? So here we can say that 1 upon 2 into AC into H1 plus H2, or we are given AC is equal to 24 and the sum of the height is equal to how much? 10, right? Drawn from vertex, right? So this is 10, right? The sum of the perpendiculars. So this would be equal to 120 centimeter square. So 120 centimeter square is the right answer. Third part is the right answer. Yes, third part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Ratio of monthly income of A and B is 4:5. Ratio of monthly saving of A and B is 4:19. If monthly expenditure of A and B is 1200 each, then what is the difference between monthly income of A and B? See, there are two approaches we can use in this question. One is basic concept approach, which you have already learned in your junior classes, right? And another is a smart approach. So directly we can say that according to junior class approach or X approach, we can say that we know that one thing, income minus saving is equal to expenditure, right? If I think that, or we can say, I can suppose that the income of A is 4x, right? And the income of B is 5x. So we can say that 4x minus 1200. See, 1200 is what? Expenditure. So we can also say that the income minus expenditure is equal to saving. Got it? So we can say that 4x minus 1200 divided by 5x minus 1200 would be equal to 14 by 19. Just cross multiplying, and after solving we will get, right, 19 4 ja 76x minus 0 0, 19 2 ja 38, 3, 19 1 ja 19, right? Or we can say that to avoid the calculation, 200 into 19 is equal to 70x minus, write it here, 70x minus 1200 into 19 is equal to 70x minus 1200 into 14. Got it? So we can say that taking 17 to left side, this will become 7x, and taking 1200 common, so 19 minus 14, this would be 5. So 6 2 ja 12. So here x is equal to 1000, right? X is equal to 1000. Now the question is asking what is the difference between income. So the difference is 5x minus 4x, x, and x is 1000. So we can say that 1000 is the right answer. Now what is the short approach for this? Just taking the ratio of income. Ratio of income is how much? 4:5, right? And the ratio of, just go to the Oliveboard website. So you will get the course section. Just clicking on the course section, you will get the different courses, right? So here is the yes, RRB NTPC CBT 2024, CBT1 and CBT2, right, for English medium. And if you want to prepare for SSC CGL tier 2, you can also join. So these are the batches for which you can enroll, right? So here there is a 50% off, which is till evening. So from the evening or we can say after 12 p.m. you will get 60% over here. So you can go and just click on enroll, right? So you will get this window. So here you can see, if you want to enroll for RRB NTPC only, so go for this. If you want to for railway super elite, so go for this. And if you want to SSC plus railway super elite, so you can check it out all these, right? So that you can make your preparation in a robust or a strong manner. Okay, so that's all for today. So, and if you have not downloaded the app, so please first of all download the Oliveboard app so that you can attend the classes and you can get the information easily and quickly, right? And please also subscribe for the channel, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and connect with us on Telegram. Yes, of course, this is our Telegram number. You can connect with us on Telegram also, right? So that you will be able to reach information easily. So thank you guys, thank you very much. This is for all today. Thank you very much.